Anti-narcotic officers in Banjul have seized 118 bags of cocaine weighing 2 tons, 952 kilograms and 852 grams. The drugs were part of a consignment of 4 containers that were mixed with 3 containers of industrial salt shipped from Latin America. Officials said this is so far the biggest drug haul in the history of drug seizures in the Gambia. Usman Seidiba, a spokesperson for the Drug Law Enforcement Agency, explains how officials detected and confiscated the substance.
So after this discovery, on Monday, the 4th of January 2020, a physical search was conducted on the container, but was found to be containing what was only deemed to be salt. Search continued as investigation into the matter continued, resulting in the discovery of 118 bags of cocaine in one of the containers that was numbered SUDU 7531754. Initial finding into the matter suggests that the container belongs to one Banta Keita, who holds a French passport with the number 17CE91360. According to his passport biodata, that is a biographical data, he is said to be born on the 3rd January 1984. He is a resident of Fajara M section, Kanifing municipality. Sharif, who was their local contact person, is presently in custody, helping the officers with the investigation, while the manhunt for Mr. Banta Keita continue.
The Gambia is a transit point for drugs mainly from South America and often destined for Europe. Meanwhile, the drug law enforcement officials conducted 2 preliminary tests to ascertain that the bags contain cocaine before it would reach its final stage of confirmatory conclusion.
These are the bags that we suspect to be containing cocaine. And not only suspected, we subject this to 2 different test methods. That is the use of the TrueNAC device, which is a scanner that tells you whether a substance is cocaine or so, and it can detect about 400 different types of substances. You use the TrueNAC to scan this, and it shows cocaine positive. And we also use the color test to determine it, and it also shows positive. But all these are what we call field tests. So these things have to be subjected to confirmatory test, because that is what will produce the document that will be admitted in court.
Meanwhile, the Drug Law Enforcement Agency has 1 suspect in custody, a Gambian, and are looking for one Banta Keita, a holder of a French passport, in whose name the containers of salt were made. In 2010, authorities made a similar bust with the discovery of more than 2 tons of cocaine worth $1 billion at a village in the Combo East district of the West Coast region. 2 people of the various nationalities were also arrested and tried in court over the seizure. Reporting for iAfrica News, I am Mariama Cham.